My goodness, I'm a huge fan of Apple, as you all know, but they just need to do better for the end users out there. Notice I've gone into my mail on my iPhone, and what has happened here? Good old Apple Intelligence has prioritized a phishing email. Yeah, and a very basic phishing email. I mean, you and I look at this and we realize this is not an actual DocuSign. In fact, they couldn't even get the name even close to right, DocSign. And if we click on this from, we see that the address is from a domain of bma.bigglobe.ne.jp. This doesn't sound legit to me. Of course, a DocuSign is going to come from DocuSign.net or .com. So my goodness here, Apple, help us out. Don't prioritize scams and improve your phishing intelligence. My goodness. And while we're at it, let's take a look at this one. While we're at it, stop making us click multiple times to see that it's from an inappropriate address. My goodness, let's make that easier to see. Notice this DocuSign is coming from me.com, another address that makes no sense for DocuSign. So, Apple, let's be better, shall we? And your Apple Intelligence needs to get a lot more intelligent. Thanks for watching, everyone. I feel better now.